Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Neo 3 GT, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, we will need to turn off our device by holding the power button and selecting power off from the options. Give it a moment, the device will turn off, and when it does, we're now going to hold the power button, and I believe it's going to be volume up. To be fair, I am kind of guessing at the moment, I don't remember. So we're going to try volume up first, and if that doesn't work, it's most likely going to be volume down. Now also let go of the power button when you see the Nubia logo, and well, we are in a recovery mode. It's not the one that I was hoping for, but it is there. So we do have enter safe mode in here. Now, let me just bring up the exposure a little bit so you can see all the options. Sorry for the absolutely blown out background right here, but it's pretty dim. Let me display right here. So you can navigate using volume buttons, as you can see, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So with that in mind, select enter safe mode and confirm that. Now this will reboot the device and bring it into the said mode. And as you can see, we are now in safe mode. Now, in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will work. Any app that you have installed yourself after the setup, and even sometimes some of the applications that come seemingly with the device, will be temporarily disabled. That also includes widgets, as you can see right here, they don't load. And on the second page, we have several applications like TikTok, Booking, Facebook, and so on that will not run in this mode. They look obviously semi-transparent, grayed out. If you try to open them up, you get a pop-up that downloaded apps are disabled in this mode. So from here, you can troubleshoot your device. If you have some kind of application that is causing you problems, this would allow you to manage it from here. And once you're done doing so, to get back to the normal mode, you can just hold again the power button and select restart. And this will reboot the device, and once it boots back up, it automatically will enter normal mode. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.